Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is Kellogg's cornflakes, original plain cornflakes, and we are going to make a healthier version of this. So let's get started. Okay, this 55-gram pack has MRP of ₹20 and shelf life of 9 months. Here are the light, crisp and crunchy cornflakes. There is no powdery residue, and from this pack we can make 2 servings of this big bowl size. So take a handful of cornflakes in a bowl and add roasted peanuts and roasted chana. This way you add protein and fiber to it. And now goes finely chopped onion, chopped cucumber and chopped tomatoes. These are rich in vitamins and antioxidant. So you got vitamin C, A and K. And then goes some salt, chaat masala. For spiciness you can add red chili, green chili. I'm going to add white pepper. Now squeeze a lemon and a handful of coriander leaves. Mix well. With the lemon we added vitamin C also and taste without any unhealthy ingredient. And you know, cornflakes have high glycemic index, which means they digest quickly. However, we have added protein, fiber, healthy fats by peanuts and chana and veggies. It balances it out. And finally we have come out with a savory cornflakes mix that is nutritious, high protein and a good breakfast option. So give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.